freezing, it's snowy, and I want to get out of here. How about you?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. This is much better. So we are now in sunny San Diego, and it is magical. So we're gonna go down to do a little sightseeing. We're gonna go to this place called Balboa Park and see what it's all about. Apparently it's beautiful. You guys will see.
See you there.
So we made it to Balboa Park. This place is magical. It's huge. It's like a massive compound with so much old architecture, and there's a few museums here. There's an aviation museum, there's a train museum, there is the art gallery, or is it a museum? I forget.
Museum of Man, gardens.
Yeah, it's weird. And we'll show you little shots of it because it's pretty damn cool. But check where we're sitting right now. We're just in this little like maze looking garden, and it is so damn cool. Palm trees, all the good stuff. This must be a cool concert hall kind of area. They probably do live outdoor performances here. This place is never ending. Just keeps going forever and ever, but it's really cool, right?
It's really cool.
I like it. So we are gonna wrap up our day at Balboa Park, and you wanna go grab a coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need some caffeine. Walking around, being a tourist is tiring. So, we found some coffee. Rebecca found a salad. That looks good. Are you excited?
Yes, it looks delicious.
Yeah. Had to get some food, and us haven't eaten all day. Well, she had all the donuts for breakfast. So, yeah, I don't know. Like, not very sustaining. Anyway, we're gonna go check out Sunset Cliffs.
Yeah.
Sunset Cliffs. Watch the sunset, and yeah, go from there. So, see you guys soon. Check out this rooftop patio, and we are the only people here. As you can see, there's a bar, no bartender, so I think we are we're free to make whatever we want to drink. Possibly. What do you think?
Absolutely.
Yeah, got a nice little fireplace here. I like it. Some views. Hotel Republic, San Diego. Big fan. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, we just watched the sunset here at Sunset Cliffs in San Diego. It is so nice out here, but it is freaking cold. Are you freezing?
Yeah, it's local.
Well, so we're gonna wrap up today here. We're gonna go eat some Italian food in Little Italy. It's actually our anniversary, our 4-year anniversary today. So yeah, we're just gonna wrap that up, close this off, and we'll see you guys soon. So we are just at day 1 in San Diego of traffic and conversion. Not a whole lot's happened yet. hanging out,
Mingling?
mingling. We got crew behind us.
Stressed yet?
Stressed yet? So yeah, I don't know, we'll see where it goes. The man, the myth, the legend.
I made it!
We're going to the Tequila Arbor Grill. How do you feel about that, Tyler?
Hey, this wasn't it was my idea.
Totally. We're just along for the ride, so it should be good. Are you ready?
I don't know.
Yeah.
The blood.
You guys are ridiculous. Well, it's nice out here.
It was a little bit dark in there, huh?
Yeah. This is definitely more lively. What are you guys gonna get?
I'm gonna get a second year mark.
You're gonna get a water because I gotta focus on my ads later?
Just get a skinny mark.
Are we doing a boomerang?
No, it's like an actual
We're boomeranging.
It's an actual video.
Boomerang.
Today one at TNC.